Welcome back to my channel. So this weekend I'm in Milton Keynes Filipino Festival, or what we call Barrio Fiesta here in UK. So it is a yearly thing, and most of the places that held all this festival, the biggest one and the very first one, it's in London. But some of the biggest city, they do festival as well, like in Milton Keynes, in Birmingham, big places to name a few. So I'm
right for our first song. There's something from Kabuto. If you know the song, please sing along with us.
The famous Halo Halo with purple yam and some egg custard on the top, plus the wafer as well. So yeah, I'm gonna be enjoying this.
Ladies and gentlemen, a pleasant good afternoon. Standing in front of you is an 18-year-old starter. Yes, you heard it right. Fresh na fresh. All the way from the municipality of Lingayen, province of Pangasinan. Na nag-iiwan ng isang katagang, kung ang itlog ay kulay pula, itlog maalat yun. Pero kung ang itlog ay may batik-batik, itlog pugo yun. Pero kung ang itlog ay may balahibo at may amoy, itlog ko yun! Alright! But wait, there's more. Lahat ng mga iniidolo kong artista, patay na. Pilita Corrales, patay na. Nora Honor, patay na. Michael Jackson, patay na. Ang susunod na kandidata, idol din kita. Bakit ngayon buhay ka pa? And bago ko lisanin ang 4 na sulok ng entabladong ito, nag-iiwan si Jacqueline ng huling salita. Jacqueline! Jacqueline! Jacqueline mo ako! And thank you!
On stage, Alota! Jumping rope girl. Yes, go sports attire. Okay, impromptu, bakla ka. Tumapat.
Music, thank you so much. Jacqueline, ako ang tumapos ng sumpa. Ako'y buhay na buhay at hindi mamamatay. Good afternoon, Milton Keynes! Beauty is in the eye of the beholder. So behold, everyone, all eyes on me, if you want to see the true meaning of beauty. I'm Alota, more than 25 years old, and I represent the historical province of Bulacan! At nag-iiwan ako sa inyo ng isang kasabihan, ang baklang matyaga, hindi basta-basta dumadapa. And I thank you.
We have Ambi the Diva. Ambi the Diva is a cowgirl.
Mabuhay! My name is Ambi the Diva from the land of the rice granary of the Philippines, the province of Isabela. I do believe that honesty is the best policy. Thank you very much!
Woo! Thank you so much, Ambi the Diva! And let's continue our segment, Sportswear Attire, candidate number 4. Who is our candidate number 4? I'm scrolling down my list. Miss Adriana Rose! Adriana is a swimmer! Here you go, girl.
Oh my days.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Good afternoon.
There's a lot of
Or should I
afternoon.
say, good afternoon. My name is Adriana Rose, all the way from Pasay City. Ang nag-iisang nagpatibok sa bihikang puso ni Piolo Pascual. Opo, my name is Sam Milby. Stands 34, 24, 34, no more. With 3 wins, 2 loss, and 1 knockout. Na naniniwala sa kasabihang, ang Junjun na maliit, nakakabwisit. Ang Junjun na masarap, may magic sarap. At naniniwala po sa isang kasabihang, kung ang araw palubog na, gabi na. Pero ang pisngi, pag lumubog na, candidate number 1, siya pa! And I thank you!
Thank you so much, Adriana Rose! And let's welcome our candidate number 5, Miss Jamaica Evans! Jamaica is our racer girl!
mabuhay. Be with, be whole, and be mystified. Because your baby is now a lady. Maayo to the Barkats. By the way, my name is Jamaica Evans. I'm only 35 years old, stoner. Nagmula pa po sa probinsyang babalik-balikan, Bulacan! At naniniwala sa kasabihan, kung ang babae ay tinaguri ang puso ng saging at ang mga kalalakihan ay bunga ng saging, kaming mga bakla ay magiging matching. Matching nakakain sa malalaki at mahaba niyong saging. Mabuhay!
Thank you so much, candidate number 5, Miss Jamaica Evans. Please welcome on stage candidate number 6, Miss Diana J. Mendoza. Candidate number 6, our horseback riding girl.
Proud Bachelor of Science in Nursing graduate at Our Lady of Fatima University and currently working as an operating theater nurse at Moorville's Private Eye Center. My name is Diana Joy Mendoza, a proud representing all the way from the land of Barraco and Taal Volcano, Batangas, province of the Philippines, na nag-iiwan ng mga katagang, hindi bastos, hindi malaswa, at hindi nyo kapupulutan nyo ng aral, na ang taong nagpapakumbaba ay siyang itataas. At ang mga nagpapakumbaba, at ang mga nagpapakataas ay siyang ibababa. Maraming salamat po.
Thank you so much, Diana! And once again, here are your delegates on their sportswear attire for Miss Milton Keynes 2025. Okay, palakpakan naman para sa ating mga candidate.
Okay guys, I think it's time for me to go home. I ate a lot, I chat a lot of catching up with some mates in here. I think I had enough of it. So yeah, I hope you're having a lovely Sunday afternoon. Remember, keep smiling and bye for now. Have a lovely weekend. Bye guys.